So I graduated from Peking University. It's a top university in China. I studied English literature as an undergrad. So I have been working for the last 2 years at ByteDance, which is a internet/tech company, mostly for music licensing for its music-oriented app called TikTok. So I think my experience is kind of relevant to the field of copyright law. How do you have any advice for someone like me that's entering law school, possibly with a specific interest or gearing myself towards a very specific field? Just in terms of choosing schools and applying for programs or even selecting courses once I'm in law school?
Yeah, I think that you have the makings of a stellar application based on your work experience. I mean, tech and IP and copyright are all quickly growing fields.
Okay.
And furthermore, I mean, TikTok I know it's a very fast growing social media platform that most people have barely heard of over the age of 30, perhaps, but it's a growing area. I would make it clear to define exactly what TikTok is on your resume and on your any statements that you write about it, because they may not have heard of it, even though it's a booming area of focus. And obviously they know what copyright is, they know what IP is.
Mm-hmm.
So I think writing some sort of personal statement that ties this together and shows how your work experience motivates or relates to your reasons for wanting to go to law school, and showing your understanding of the field in particular, I think is going to be really compelling for you, because a lot of law school applicants, they only know what they've seen on TV or in the movies about the practice of law. And of course, the reality is much different.
Mm-hmm.
And so if your work experience can show that you have exposure to it, and of course, your resume shows that you have good work experience that could lead to future job prospects as well, I think will be really compelling for them.
So when you mentioned understanding of the field, do you think I should lean more heavily towards talking about principles, or the more theoretical side of things, or should I rely more on like examples or case studies that I have encountered in my work experience?
Definitely the latter, no question about it. You want to make it real. You want to make it concrete. Anecdotes are important. Stories are important. Stay away from the theory. The more theoretical it is, the less personal it is. So you want to say that I was working on this document related to this case, and this was the dilemma, or this was the conflict that they were facing, or just a question about where to go or what to do given the circumstances. But I would pick one specific example, or maybe one or two, from like, let's say there was this licensing deal that we were trying to make happen. These were the issues in play. This is how I handled it. It kindled my excitement around this field. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.